Hello students, I am Jadoo SV. We start to learn math for 6th standard. Chapter name is Bank and Simple Interest. Students, look at this picture and find about nature of work of this office. You listen about this office. What is this? You listen about bank? Yes. You listen about bank in your house because your father, mother and your family members talk about bank. Okay, this is bank. Here are some symbols. Here is symbol of rupees. Here is saving, current, FD. These are the accounts, types of accounts in bank. Okay, what is bank? Bank is a government recognized organization that carries out transaction of money. It is financial organization and finance related to money. Okay, what is bank? Bank is a government recognized organization that carries transaction of money and it is financial organization. We need to be prudent in spending of money we earn. We save money for use in future. Our savings are meant to be expended expenses on education, building a house, medical treatment, on our occupations such as and small saving made regularly accumulated over a period to become a large amount and provide useful in future. An amount kept in bank remains safe and also grows over the year. Our amount is safe in bank. We can't save in our house because this is the dangerous. So we saving in bank, it is safely and grows yearly. Okay, so bank is important in our life. Here is a picture, symbol of rupees, financial transaction, businessman, industrialist, women's saving group, farmer, students. In this picture, who are shown bank service? What does symbol on bag? Symbol is rupees. These people use bank. Women's, industrialist, professionalist, businessmen, traders, farmers, students, all over total people use bank. Okay, then when we use bank, we have a bank account. To use banking service, on has opened an account in bank. We need some documents like proof of residence, ration card, electricity bill, telephone bill, like this. Then proof of identity, Aadhaar card, voter identity, PAN card, etc. And beside a reference from another customer who is an account holder. These documents are important documents for bank account. A saving account is meant a induce and habit saving money. When we open account, then bank give us a passbook like this. This is passbook. Bank gives us a passbook like this, and this in this passbook bank print our saving, our deducted, our credit, whole. Like this bank give us a passbook. Your fathers, your family members have a passbook. You can look your father's passbook. And then when ATM, bank gives us a ATM like this. ATM. With the help of this ATM card, we can take money, withdrawal money without going bank. Okay. This is the procedure of bank. And there are some kinds of account: saving account, current account, FD, RD, like this. And when we saving in bank, bank gives us, account holders paid some amount keeping their money in the bank on the loan. Them such account are called such amount called interest. Okay, understand? Thank you.